Good afternoon and welcome to the 5 September 2019 Fire Weather Brief from the Missoula Weather Forecast Office. So, getting started, we're about to enter into a very active pattern. We have this low spinning out over the Pacific Ocean. It's bringing in close to the low along the coast, very dry air. However, if we look down in this area here, Arizona, Colorado, and Nevada, there is monsoonal moisture pushing north, and that's going to be here by Friday. We have these high clouds currently over western Montana and north central Idaho, and then very dry air in northwest Montana currently. By Friday, we have this Pacific trough that's come on shore now, and it'll be over our area probably Friday afternoon. And it's going to have that monsoonal moisture to work with. So we're looking at very widespread showers and thunderstorms, although we do believe the thunderstorms are going to be isolated to I-90 and south in this area here. The early onset of the showers in central Idaho, we're looking at probably 4 to 6 a.m. Friday, and then from 6 to 8 a.m. in northwest Montana. It's probably going to keep our afternoon heating. Not probably, it will keep our afternoon heating down, and there's not a lot of energy in the atmosphere associated with this, so the thunderstorms will be isolated at best. Precipitation amounts, that's probably what's on everyone's mind. It's going to be a widespread 1/1500ths to a half an inch, with the best chance of seeing the half an inch down in north central Idaho and the highest terrain in southwest Montana on Friday into Saturday morning. Then by Saturday afternoon, the ridge builds back in. Now, the big difference is going to be compared to Thursday afternoon today, it's going to be about 10 degrees cooler, so it's not going to warm up as much. And the afternoon RHs, of course, with all that moisture on the previous day, in the lowest elevations of Idaho, probably in the upper 20s, and for the low valleys of western Montana, 30s to even possibly as high as 40s. And we're not expecting too much wind, just light terrain-driven winds on Saturday. The pattern is going to continue to be active from Sunday onward. We're seeing the 500 millibar pattern through Thursday on these on this GIF here. And what I wanted to get across is it just stays active for many days to come. We're not saying it's going to rain constantly, but you can see these waves and the lines. That's energy moving through the overall pattern, and that will set off showers throughout the entire period. We are thinking that Sunday and Monday will be the wettest part, and the models are coming into pretty good agreement that there's going to be widespread half-inch amounts throughout our area. And then in the highest terrain of north central Idaho, could be up to about an inch for that Sunday-Monday period. Looking at the weather threat matrix, the only day that we're highlighting is Friday, and it's for those thunderstorms that we think are going to be isolated from I-90 and south. Thank you for watching the brief. Our next briefing will be Sunday, September 8th.